Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to check recently liked photos on Facebook. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to Facebook. After that we need to go to menu and click settings in the upper right corner. After that we need to scroll down and here you must click activity log. After that you need to scroll to the right here and click page likes, and here you can find these recently liked photos on Facebook. Also you can click on 3 points and click delete. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.